The topic of today's video is how to change your profile picture and emote on Roblox PC. Now guys, we do keep tons of resources in the description of this video, so if you need something, definitely have a look through that, and let's get into the video. Alright, so first thing that we want to do is click on the avatar on the left hand side of the screen. Now you will start in the marketplace, but we want to go over to the customize section. Now in here you can select specific heads and faces, but we want to first sort out our character. I'm not going to do too much customization here, that is fully up to you. So let's head over to characters, and then we want to go to purchased. And now we can pick any one of these bodies and it's going to change our profile picture. So click on the one you want and click on switch, and you can see our profile has changed to our new avatar. Now we want to click on that profile picture. And now here we can choose our emotes. So just pick any emote you want. And when you're done there, we're going to click on next. Now this will be your profile picture, so you can zoom out or you can zoom in, and you can also rotate your character with the next slider. And if you're happy with that image, all you need to do is hit next. And now you can click on full view if you want to, or you can leave it on close up. And again, if you're happy, all you need to do is click on save. And there you have it guys. You can go back to your home screen, but you can see our icon has changed. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.